Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got one thing to ask you. What's freaking cooking? The real kitchen daddy got a problem, folks. I got a big problem. I was gonna throw me some good old steaks on my Vision grill tonight, on my egg, and smoke them up and grill them on up and make them real tasty and delicious. But guess what, folks? God is doing his work. He's bringing the rain on me. So I will not be able to use my Vision egg tonight, my grill. My baby's getting rained on right now. I took the cover off. I was ready to go. And then boom! All this. But I got something, folks. I got something for you. We're gonna do something different. This is not gonna stop me. We're gonna go back in the house. We're gonna pull out the Ninja Foodi Grill. And we're gonna work those steaks on the Ninja Foodi Grill, and they're gonna taste just like I did it out here. I promise you, folks, the recipe will be simple, it'll be easy, and we're gonna do it real quick. I'm gonna make some steaks, I'm gonna put some potatoes in my other Ninja, and I'm gonna do me some peas for the kids. It's gonna be easy, simple, and we'll be out of there. So I'll be right back. Hey folks, welcome back. While you were gone, I prepped the food. I got the steaks ready, all washed up. I cut up the potatoes that we're gonna have, some red skin potatoes that we're gonna do in this foodie right here. The steaks will go in the grill over here, okay? So let's get started. Let's get started with the potatoes. So I got some red skin potatoes. The ingredients that I'm gonna do real quick for you tonight is I'm gonna have some olive oil I'm gonna add to it. Add a little olive oil. I got some seasoned salt I'm throwing here. Got some ground black pepper. Ooh. Got some ground turmeric. It's gonna make those potatoes turn a little bit yellow, but it's okay. Turmeric is good for you. So that's why I like to use it sometimes. And I got some Kirkland all season, none salt. Got it in your pot. Just mix it around. Mix it around real good. That's all you have to do. Put it in your foodie. Shut your foodie. Turn your foodie on. Put it on air crisp. I'm going to put it on 400. And the time I'm going to go for 20 minutes, but I'm going to check it simultaneously as we go. So let's get this started. Potatoes are on real quick. Steaks. We got some Montreal Steak Seasoning. We got some Worcestershire sauce. And we got some liquid smoke. Very simple. We'll take the liquid smoke. We'll put it on your steaks. Got your Worcestershire sauce. So Worcestershire sauce on your steaks. And just season them up with your Monterey. We're gonna flip them. Very easy to do, folks. Very easy to do. Same process. Liquid smoke. Some Worcestershire sauce. And throw some Monterey Steak Seasoning on it. Very easy to do. I preheated my Ninja Foodi Grill, so it's ready. So for the steaks, you want to have the temperature on medium, and you typically want to cook your steaks from 18 to 22 minutes. And as you cook your steaks, you want to turn them a couple times during the process. That's one steak. That's two steaks. Timer up. I'm going to put it up to 22 minutes, but I am going to check it as we go. Very simple, folks. That's all you got to do. I got my potatoes over here going. I got the steak in the grill. The rain stopped on me, but I got this process started. I was going to do it outside today, but God forced me back in. So this is how you make it happen. You can do it just as easy on the inside, and you can do it just as easy on the outside. But we are going to do it on the inside today. So that's all I have for right now. So we'll let this cook for 22 to 18 minutes over here. I got 20 minutes over here on the air fryer on the potatoes, and we will check. Hey folks, welcome back. As I said, it only took 20 minutes to make this meal. I put the potatoes over here, took 20 minutes to make. I put the steaks over here. In the beginning, I told you take 18 to 22 minutes. My steaks were a little thin, so it took less time than that. As you can see, oh my God, this thing came out delicious. Actually, the Ninja Grill superseded my expectations because I haven't cooked steaks in the Ninja Grill before, but it gives you the grill lines and everything. If you can smell this, you'll be like, oh my God, it came out amazing. And all I can say right now, I'm in love with Montreal Steak Seasoning. That's my main thing. When I put it on my steak, it make it like pop. It just popped it. So I'm excited. Let me calm down. Take a deep breath. I'm sorry, folks. So let's. I got a steak over here also. I wanted you guys to show you the finished product here, but here's the steak over here. Oh my goodness, my Cutco new knife. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work. Cut right through the steak. As you can see, the steak is fully cooked. It may be too done for some of you folks out there. My family likes it a little bit on the well done side of things right now. They're not used to that medium over here. I like mine a little medium sometimes, but they can't handle it. Let me taste it. Folks, I'm telling you, that's a good steak in less than 20 minutes. I didn't marinate the steaks. You saw what I did. I didn't marinate them at all. I just put the seasoning on it real quick, and I just threw it in real quick. And the steaks took less than 15 minutes to make. The potatoes over here, I'll pull one potato out. Let me taste it again over here. Want to make sure it was ready. Once again, folks, you know, all I can say, if you want to do a quick meal and you don't have a lot of choices and you didn't pre-plan anything, just pull out your ninjas and let your ninjas work the magic for you. It's that simple, it's that easy. I don't pre-plan these meals. I don't pre-plan these videos that I'm doing right now. I just come to the kitchen, I tell my daughter to grab the phone, and she starts filming, and we just put something together. Because I gotta cook dinner every night. So I gotta put something together every night. I gotta put dinner on the table every night. And this is easy. I got a salad here, I got my potatoes here, got the steak here, got the peas here. And I'm out of here. And I did it quickly in my 2 ninjas. Can't beat that. So if you liked what my content was tonight, give me thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button for me, okay? I'm trying to get some Kitchen Daddy aprons merchandise put together for you folks. That'll be something that I'll add to the channel. Hopefully you guys support me on that. I'll put some pictures out there of some of my thoughts and you tell me if you like it or not.
that'll be interesting to know. But other than that, that's all I have for you tonight, folks. It rained on me, so I had to bring the cookout on the inside. So this is what you do when you have a Ninja grill and you have your Ninja over here. You bring the cookout on the inside. So, thank you for joining, and bon appetit. Peace.